Okay, so I've been eyeing this bag for the very longest time. Pero actually, yung unang gusto ko yung Calibre or Express. But, pagpasok ko sa Forella Hodge dito sa Greenbelt, ang unang napansin ko is this, they call it Dream 21 bag. This reminds me actually of Kipal from Louis Vuitton. Eh, mahilig kasi talaga ako maglagay ng maraming gamit every time I go out. And I thought this bag was perfect for me. PSA was kind enough in handling about the query, the questions regarding the bag, and mga stuff dyan. Promise guys, if you if you're in Greenbelt, go and visit the store. It's very very nice. Of course, I've been eyeing Goyard, but this one's really is so worth it, and I am so in love with the bag that I got. And here's my review.
Hey, so kanina, padaan kami kanina sa Greenbelt at mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng bag. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin tong gustong-gusto kong bag. At first, yung gusto kong bag na parang square type, hindi ko alam kung tawag doon, nakalimutan ko. But when I got to the store kanina, nag-google-google na ako, nag-search ako dito sa TikTok. Surprisingly, wala masyadong nagti-TikTok about this bag. Itong design na to Ang tawag dito is uh, my God, how to say this? Froe Lepage Dream 21. Kasi alam ko yung nakita natin sa TikTok ni Square Type. So, eto, ma-unboxing tayo. Ang tagal-tagal na ako hindi nag-unbox ng bag. Actually, may pa ako isang bagong bag. Bigay ng pinsan ko, long champ na maliit. Maybe I'll try to unbox that anytime soon. So, eto muna. Uh, so, from Froe Fore Lepage from Paris. Ito hindi to akin. Ito lang. So, tara, unboxing tayo. So, first sabi ko nga, unang gusto ko yung parang square type na bag. Hindi ko na Google ko ulit kung anong pangalan nun. But ito, I like this kasi meron ng version, may style na dito, ang Louis Vuitton, yung mini kipal. Wala ako noon. Pero may version ako noon from Coach. So, parang ganun na rin yun, style nito. At sabi nung SA kanina, yung Blue Paris ang original color nila ng having a hard time saying it, Forêt Lepage. But I think generally pag black yung bag, mas nagbabagay siya to whatever OOTD na gamit mo. So, tara, unboxing tayo. What I like about this bag, yung handle niya. As you can see, yung top handle niya, pure leather talaga. So they call this Dream 21. Bango. So yan. Frolipash. So yeah. Look at that. Nice. Nice, no? Parang yung mini kipal from Louis Vuitton. But this is the version ng Forêt Lepage. Yan. Sorry, so this comes with a sling. Look at that. Super nice, right? So, black and yellow siya, which is my favorite color. Tapos, gold yung hardware niya. And this is the sling, strap. There. So, there. Ito siya. Leather and strap. I have to put it here. So, yung muna ngayon ang ating review for this bag. But I am so happy kasi finally, I have another dream bag with me. Ang ganda ng handle niya. Look at that, naka-twirl talaga yung leather's handle. It's pure leather. And ang ganda rin yung canvas. What I've known na search ko is this is hand-painted. So, yeah. So, eto siya, paggamit. Sling bag siya. So, yung square type pala na sinasabi ko, ang tawag doon is Express 21, Forella Podge, Express 21, at saka Calibre. Maganda rin yung version na yun, square type bag. This one, mas feeling ko, Very versatile siya, very, works well with men and women. Uh, uh, Fits for everybody. Tsaka mas marami ka nalalagay. Yun sa akin kasi pag ako nagbabag, mahilig talaga ako maglagay na maraming stuff. And I highly recommend. If you're looking for another good luxury bag, try this. Maganda din yung color blue na yun kasi sabi nung essay nga, originally, ang color ng Forella Hodge is Paris blue. But sabi ko nga, black is a very versatile that fits to all to, it fits all to your outfit. It would work well to your outfits. So yeah, this is the bag. I'm so happy. Very happy.